Well, folks, we are planting in these Vijayga garden beds, these raised beds. In this bed, we're going to have buttercrunch lettuce and some broccoli. I don't remember what brand, and this thing has broke off, but it is broccoli. Going to put 6 and 6, put 12 plants in here. Could put more than that, I'm sure. It's just what I bought at Lowe's, and yes, I'm late. You know, I could get a freeze on this stuff real soon. But we're gonna try it anyway. I forgot my hory, so we're gonna be digging by hand. It's in the barn. We're gonna lay out 6 of these little dudes. I will come back and put a drip now, and I will come back and water them. I was gonna say I'll put drip in it, but I can't do that because it's winter time, and I just, you know, you need to keep it drained, and then you use it, and then you got to drain it again and use it and drain it again. It's just not worth messing with. I'll hook up a hose instead. But what I'm gonna do is put, this is gonna be the halfway point. So I'll come to about right there, there, and there. I've got the 543 from Haas. This is the organic, complete organic fertilizer from Haas. I've used it a bunch. It won't really burn anything, so I didn't pre-plant. I just put this compost in here yesterday. It's compost that I made strictly out of wood chips, and you can see, you can see some barky, chippy, sticky stuff in it, but it's almost completely finished. It's finished enough, and so I'm gonna put about a handful, which is gonna be a quarter of a cup at least, if not a half, in every hole. Mix it in a little bit, and then I'm gonna put that little dude in there and cover it up. Like I say, this fertilizer just real light. It's 543 plus it's organic. It's just chicken feathers and chicken poop, I think. Smells a lot like chicken poop anyway. I assume that's what it is. Smells a lot like poop, let's put it that way. I'm not a connoisseur of poop, so I can't say it's not cow poop or something else. But basically mix it in, you know, where the roots are just not sitting on a good clump of it. But get down in there, cover it up, plant it the same depth that it came at from the big box store. That came from Lowe's. All that came from Lowe's. There you go. Sounds like I got a hen over there laying an egg somewhere. All right. Mark it with the marker from the big box store. These are Bonnie. The company's Bonnie. The brand of, well, it's Buttercrunch, but it's Buttercrunch from Bonnie. And I could come in here and cut those off. Now those broccoli plants look good. I don't know what temp broccoli can take. I don't grow a lot of broccoli, but I'm not sure what temperature broccoli can survive at. And again, this is 1st of November. We've already had a first frost. We really didn't have a freeze, but we did have a frost. All right, take that off so I can get some perspective here. This should be pretty good compost, but it's just wood chips. Wood chips, and if there was any worms in it, and I'm sure there was, a little worm poop. But nothing else that I added. But it looks pretty doggone good. As you can see, it's pretty pliable. It's just got, you know, a few sticks in it, like those right there. Not a ton. Most of it's done. Some of it ain't. This is the maiden voyage of the Vijayga garden bed. And I expect for this to come off, you know, early enough to where I can put something in it. I don't know, I put squash or something in it. This is the 11 inches tall. I've got the 17 inch over there. I will plant it in all cabbage, and I'll do that, and then I'll come back and show you all of it. So this is the other bed. This one is 17 inches tall. I like it better. I like it better than the 11 inch. Now, if you are buying compost, buying potting mix, things like that, it's gonna take a lot to fill this dude up. It was one full bucket on my tractor. Solid compost. I didn't put anything in the bottom. I started to do like kind of a hugelkultur thing and put some wood in the bottom of it, but I didn't. Had I not had my own compost, I would have. I mean, that's just a good way to save money. Put you some firewood, some wood in the bottom of it, and then put some leaves or something like that on top of that, and then the last 6 or 8 inches, put your potting mix or something. That's how you save some money. But I love the way these things look. I mean, they are really, really, really pretty. My wife drove up yesterday from work and commented on how nice they look. So I watered the plants real good, but I also watered the beds. If I don't get those beds watered well, hydrated well, then they're going to suck the life out of those, suck the water out of those, the roots of those plants. So, you know, I always get it wet. I'll come back tomorrow. I'll water it again tomorrow. Maybe 2, 3, 4 days I'll water. I'll check the top of it, you know, and see how dry it is. But got to be watered. The fertilizer should kick in. Like I say, they're handsome plants right now. I mean, that's a really good looking broccoli. Now, am I too late? Probably. I don't know. I can always come in here and build a little loop on top with some frost protection. We're going to try to protect them and see what we can get out of them. It could very well be too late. Just thought I'd show it to you. I've got water running out of the bottom of it a little bit, so that lets me know. I've got some streaks here of water, so that lets me know that I did, you know, I got through it quite a bit, and I'll do that some more. And as you know, there ain't no square inch on my land that is flat. Everything's running down a hill one way or the other. So this garden is no exception. We're on a hill. It ain't much, but it's a hill. It's 2 or 3% grade, something like that. Anyway, wanted to show you the Vegega beds in action. First planting, looking for some great things to come out of these beds in the future, and we'll show you every dadgum bit of it. And hopefully you got you one. I know several of you did, and appreciate you buying it through my link. And just let me know how yours are doing, if you've already planted them, what you're planning on them. Just leave all that down in the comment section, if you will, because I'm interested in what you're doing too, and especially if you've got lettuce and broccoli and stuff like that, and you're a real seasoned pro at growing it. Am I too late? This is zone 8. Am I too late in zone 8? Let me know. All right, that's about it. We're gone.